Hi, good morning my dear students. Welcome to your English Literature online classes. Students, in previous class I read and explained the half story of the stone soup. Let's now read the next half of the story. And I'm going to explain it after reading each paragraph. So please open page number 3. The stone soup tastes good. It would be nice if we had some carrots, said the first traveler. A villager went and came back with some carrots. He poured those into the pot. Wonderful! It is tastier now. I once had a stone soup with salt and spices. It was very tasty, said the second traveler. The first traveler told that the soup was good in taste, but it would be nice if some carrots were added in it. One of the villagers went and brought some carrots and poured them into the pot. After tasting the soup, second traveler told that it would be very tasty if salt and spices were added in the soup. The taste would be much better. Children, you also read after me. Another villager added some salt and spices to the soup. This went on for some time. One after another, the villagers added potatoes, onions, cabbages, mushrooms, and so on. Soon, there was enough soup for the entire village. Everybody enjoyed the soup. It was the tastiest soup they ever had. They thanked the travelers. Another villager went and brought some salt and spices and added to the soup. This went on for some time. Then, one after another, villagers added potatoes, onions, cabbages, mushrooms, etc. Very soon, there was enough soup for the whole village. Everybody enjoyed the soup. It was the tastiest soup they ever had. They thanked the travelers for providing them such a delicious soup. This is all about the stone soup. Now children, take out your English 2 copy. It is 4-line copy. First, you are going to write dictation words and then word meanings. So please take out your copy. Let me show you the copy. Now, this is the 4-line copy. Can you see, children? This is the copy. In this copy, you have to write. So, start writing from here. Okay? Start writing from here. Now children, be ready with your pencil and eraser. And listen carefully what I am saying. Now, see this side. Here, you have to write the date. What you have to write, children? You have to write the date. What are you going to write? You have to write the date. Next, Next, what you have to do, children? See this line. Can you see this line? You have to write lesson 1. Lesson 1. See how I am writing? You also write. If you want, you can write. Lesson 1. You have to write the number. Lesson 1. Okay? Then come to the next line. This one. Okay? This line you are going to write the lesson name. What is the name, children? Stone soup. What is the name of the lesson? Stone soup. Stone soup. If you want, you can write, children. You can write it now. Stone soup. So first, you are going to write lesson 1. Okay. Then next line, you are going to write stone soup lesson name. Clear? Now, children, leave this line. Okay? Leave this line. Then, here, you are going to write dictation words. What are you going to write, children? Dictation words. Dictation. Okay, children? Dictation words. Now, total 5 dictation words are there. Okay? So, total 5 dictation words are there. So, let's start. Number 1. Again, leave one line and write number 1. Farmer. First one is farmer. First one is, children, farmer. Okay? Write farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Okay? First spelling is farmer. Okay? First one is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Now, next word is village. Next word is, children, village. Next one is village. Next word is village. Write village. Okay? Write village. What is the spelling of village, children? V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Learn it also. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay? Now, the third one. Third spelling is soup. Soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. Third is soup. Third word is soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. Now, fourth one is traveler. Fourth word is traveler. Now, write traveler, children. Write traveler. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R. Traveler. What is the spelling, children? T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R. Traveler. Learn, children. You learn it. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R. Traveler. And the last one, fifth one is, children, stone. Stone. Fifth word is stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Fifth one is stone. So, first spelling is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Second one, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay. Now, third one, soup. S-O-U-P. Soup.
S-O-U-P, soup. Fourth one, traveler. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R, traveler. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R, traveler. And the last one, fifth one is stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. So, these are dictation words. What are these? These are dictation words. Now, let's write word meaning in the next page. Okay? Let's write word meaning in the next page. This page. Okay? Now, children, write word here. Word. W-O-R-D. Word. Okay? Word. And this side, write meaning. What are you going to write, children? Meaning. M-E-A-N-I-N-G. Meaning. Okay? Okay, children. Word, meaning. Word, meaning. Now, first word is harvest. First word is harvest. H-A-R-V-E-S-T. Harvest. H-A-R-V-E-S-T. Harvest. Meaning of harvest is crops. C-R-O-P-S. Crops. Children, write crops. Meaning of harvest is crops. Okay? I hope everybody is writing. You also write, children? You also write. Okay? Entire. Next word is entire. Next word is E-N-T-I-R-E. Entire. Okay, children? Write entire. What is the spelling of entire? E-N-T-I-R-E. Entire. And what is the meaning, children? What is the meaning of entire, children? Whole. Whole. W-H-O-L-E. Whole. Meaning of entire is whole. What is the meaning, children? Whole. Meaning of entire is whole. Now, see the third one, children. Third one is wonderful. Wonderful. Third word is wonderful. Third word is wonderful. Third word is wonderful. And what is the meaning of wonderful, children? Great. 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 G-R-E-A-T. Great. G-R-E-A-T. Great. Okay? Now, fourth one, children. See the fourth one. Fourth one, plan. Plan. P-L-A-N. Plan. Okay? Fourth word is plan. And what is the meaning of plan, children? Idea. Idea. Okay? Meaning of plan is idea. Now, next is fifth one. Next is tired. 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 What is the meaning, children? In need of rest. In need of rest. In need of rest. So first word is harvest and meaning is crops. What is the meaning of harvest? Crops. Harvest, crops. Second one, entire, meaning is whole. Entire, whole. Entire, whole. Then third one, wonderful, great. Wonderful, great. Wonderful, great. Plan, idea. Plan, idea. Tired, in need of rest. Tired, in need of rest. Tired, in need of rest. So there are 5 dictation words and 5 word meanings. Harvest, entire, wonderful, plan, tired. Okay. So 5 word meanings and 5 dictation words are there in this lesson. Now children, what you have to do now? You have to draw the line. Okay. You have to draw the line. Okay. After completing, just draw the line. Okay. If you have blue pencil, you can use that pencil. If you don't have, draw it with a normal pencil which you are writing. No need. Okay. If you have, you can use it. If you don't, then leave it. Draw with your normal pencil. Okay. Draw the line. Clear? I want neat and tidy work, children. Okay. Write neatly. Okay. Write neatly. So children, 5 dictation words are there and 5 word meanings are there. Clear? Now, next is make sentences. Now children, space is there. Okay. If space is there in your copy, you can use it. Otherwise, write from the new page. So I am using this space. Okay. So write make sentences. What are you going to write? Make sentences. Make sentences. Okay. Right? Make sentences. After word meaning, right? Make sentences. After writing make sentences, draw the line. Draw the line. Okay. Now, first word is food. First word is, children, food. First word is food. Now, you have to make the sentence, children. So, write, we must eat healthy food every day. Okay? We must eat healthy food every day. Full stop. Okay. We must eat healthy food every day. So this is the sentence of food. We must, and then underline food, children. Underline food. Okay. Underline food. So sentence is, we must eat healthy food every day. Okay. We must healthy food every day. Sentence is, we must eat healthy food every day. Okay. Now, next is farmer. Farmer. Next word is farmer. Now you have to make the sentence. Okay. Now make the sentence, children. Farmers grow crops in the field. Farmer grow crops in the field. Farmers grow crop in the field. So what you're going? How you're going to write? Farmers grow crops in the field. Crops in the Okay, farmers grow crops in the field. Okay, so sentences: farmers grow crops in the field. Draw, underline farmer. Underline farmers. Okay, underline farmers. Now third word is mother. Third one is mother. Third. So what you are going to write? I love my mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. Okay. And fourth word is village. Fourth one is village. Fourth one is, children, village. VILLAGE, village. Now make sentence. Children, my uncle lives in a village. My uncle lives in a village. Underline mother, children. And first underline mother. Now write the sentence. My uncle lives in a village. What you are going to write? My uncle lives. My uncle lives in a village. Okay, children. Lives in a village. Underline village. Okay, children. So these are make sentences. You have to make sentences from these words. Okay. Number one, food. We must eat healthy food every day. Full stop. Children, you have to write the full stop. Remember, you have to write full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. We must eat healthy food every day. Full stop. Next one is farmer. Farmers grow crops in the field. Full stop. Farmers grow crops in the field. Full stop. Third one is mother. I love my mother. Full stop. I love my mother. Full stop. Fourth one, village. My uncle lives in a village. Full stop. My uncle lives in a village. Full stop. So children, today you wrote 5 dictation words, 5 word meanings, and 4 make sentences. 4 make sentences. Okay. Now tomorrow means in the next class. I'm going to give you this one. Who said this and to whom, and answer the following question. Okay, who said this to whom and answer the following question. Okay, in next class I'm going to give who said this to whom and answer the following question. After completing the copy work, we'll start the book. Okay, exercises of the book. Clear? We'll start the book. Let's revise, children, once again what you have written. Dictation words. 1. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. You also repeat, children. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. 2. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. 3. Soup. S-O-U-P, soup. S-O-U-P, soup. You also repeat, children. S-O-U-P, soup. 4. Traveler. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R, traveler. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R, traveler. 5. Last one. Stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Now, let's revise word meaning. 1. Harvest. H-A-R-V-E-S-T, harvest. Meaning of harvest, crops. C-R-O-P-S, crops. C-R-O-P-S, crops. You also repeat, children. C-R-O-P-S, crops. Now, 2. Entire. E-N-T-I-R-E, entire. E-N-T-I-R, entire. What is the meaning, children? Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. 3. Wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. You also repeat, children. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonderful. Meaning of wonderful, great. G-R-E-A-T, great. G-R-E-A-T, great. 4. Plan. P-L-A-N, plan. P-L-A-N, plan. What is the meaning, children? Idea. Meaning of plan? Idea. I-D-E-A, idea. I-D-E-A, idea. 5th one, last one, tired. Tired. Spelling of tired? T-I-R-E-D, tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. What is the meaning, children? In need of rest. In need of rest. I-N, N-E-E-D, need of, O-F of, R-E-S-T, rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Okay. So, harvest crops. Harvest crops. Harvest crops. Entire, whole. Entire, whole. Wonderful, great. Wonderful, great. Plan, idea. Plan, idea. Tired, in need of rest. Tired, in need of rest. Children, learn the spellings also. Okay. Learn the spellings. Now, next, revise, make sentences. 1. Food. Food. We must eat healthy food every day. We must eat healthy food every day. Now, see the spelling, important spelling. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Okay. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Every day, E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y, day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y, every day. We must eat healthy food every day. We must eat healthy food every day. Okay. Now next one, farmer. Farmers grow crops in the field. Farmers grow crops in the field. Farmers grow crops in the field. Now spelling of farmers, F-A-R-M-E-R-S, farmers. F-A-R-M-E-R-S, farmers. What is the spelling of crops? C-R-O-P-S, crops. C-R-O-P-S, crops. Field, F-I-E-L-D, field. F-I-E-L-D, field. Children, remember you have to learn the spellings also, okay? Learn the spellings. Otherwise, you will lose the marks in your exam, okay? Next, third one, mother. Mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. Okay, spelling of mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Now, village. Next is village. My uncle lives in a village. My uncle lives in a village. Spelling of village, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Okay, so children, learn dictation words. Homework is learn dictation words, word meaning, and make sentences. Okay, learn dictation word meaning, and make sentences. This is today's homework. This is today's homework. Okay? And write it down in your copy. Okay? Write it down in your copy. And write neatly and correctly. Okay? Correct spelling. Write correct spellings. Okay? And write neatly also. Beautifully. Clear? Write beautifully and correctly. Try. Okay? Good. Then, for today, this is the homework. Today's homework is write dictation word, word meaning and make sentences. And learn it also. Learn it, okay? Write and learn both. Write and learn both. Thank you and have a nice day.